In this lesson, we're gonna see how to emit smoke while the helicopter is landing on the ground. So let's get started. Open the scene called helicopter vertical landing start. And if I come here and play the animation, you'll notice it's a simple animation and the helicopter landing on the ground. So let's first hide this curve by going to show, and let's click on nerves curves, okay, to hide that. Okay, so now let's create the emitter on the ground. So I'm gonna click on disk to create the disk, and then I'm going to scale it about 46. And now let's go to FX tab and let's go to Fluids and let's click on 3D container, and let's scale it a little bit and move it up just under the emitter. Okay, and now let's select the emitter and let's shift and select the fluid container, and let's go to fluids and let's go to add and let's click on emit from object option box, and let's reset the settings. Make sure the emitter type is surface, and let's hit apply and let's hit play. As you see, nothing crazy happening, just the emitter emits some smoke. Let's select the container and let's go to attribute editor, and let's increase the base resolution to 30, and I'm going to constrain the negative Y ground for the fluid. So let's set that to negative Y side, and let's set that to none and none. And now let's go down to auto resize and let's click on auto resize and click on resize closed boundary. Now the ground is constrained, and let's hit play. Okay, and let's go to emitter and let's scroll down here to the basic emitter attributes, and I'm going to set that to 0, and I want the emitter starts at 0 and then gradually emitting more smoke. So let's set a key here and let's go to frame 90. By the way, you can disable the evaluation in order to scroll freely here, okay? And 90, and let's set that to 4. The reason I am not setting higher values because the scene is too big. So you need to be careful about that. 4 is enough for that. So now you see the emitter gradually emitting smoke in the viewport. Let's scroll down and let's set the fluid drop off.